Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And have you ever wondered why your iPhone stops charging at around 80% even when you are connected to the power supply? If no, then please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video we are going to explain something called as optimized battery charging for iPhone. So let's get started. So guys, in this particular new setting, that is something called as optimized battery charging. The iPhone stops charging at around 80% just to save the user's battery, because most of the people, what they do is they charge it at night, and the overnight when you are charging your iPhone puts a lot of stress on the particular battery. So let's talk about what is optimized battery charging in iPhone. So optimized battery charging in iPhone is nothing but it is just a setting which allows your iPhone to charge maximum at 80%. Now this is done so that just to protect your battery of your iPhone. What happens is, due to overheating issues etc., when you are charging your iPhone to the maximum, the heat generated is more. In order to reduce this particular heat, the iPhone limit the battery to be charged at around 80%. The full capacity is not being charged. So how is this beneficial for the user? The Apple's new optimized battery charging, so even the latest iOS 14.5.1 and even the iOS 14.6 beta version have this particular settings, and it is very good options, and by default I feel all the new iPhones have this turned on. So the only benefit is, first, the iPhone does not get heated when you are charging. Secondly, it reduces the charging capacity, also the battery cycles of your iPhone battery, so that it lasts longer. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and also press the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification icon to get future updates whenever we upload a video. So let me just go to the battery setting and show you if this can be turned off entirely, or is it a temporary setting etc. So what we do is, once we go in the battery configuration or the battery setting over here, then you have this particular option called as battery health, and once you go over here you can see this optimized battery charging, and this option is nothing but it stops the charging till 80%. And sometimes it is annoying, but mostly it is very good for your health of your battery, and I highly recommend it. And let us just check out whether this can be disabled or not guys. So once you click on this particular toggle, it is going to ask you if optimized battery charging help reduce battery aging, blah blah blah, and turn off until tomorrow. That means till tomorrow your battery this optimized charging will be turned off, and this is just to turn it off entirely. So yes, this can be turned off entirely, and cancel is just to cancel if you just change your mind. So what we can do is, we can go over here, and suppose you don't want your battery to be charged for the next morning until 80%, you want it to be charged 100%, you can turn this entirely, or you can just turn it off until tomorrow. And this, with this particular help, it will be able to charge your particular battery to 100% instead of limiting it to 80%. And also remember guys, it is actually a temporary thing. So like for example, if you are at a warmer temperature or a room wherein there is a lot of heat, the battery will just stop charging at around 80%, and especially when this particular setting is on. If you just move it to a cooler room or near the AC etc., and if the temperature is less, then definitely it will start charging above 80%. So I hope I'm able to resolve the particular issue and able to explain it. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.